Good morning guys, this is Mr. Two-Red-Dwarf
and Harvey the crane engine.
Here we are on the Norfolk Railway at Sheringham. It was my idea. We haven't had a day out. We've been for about over 2 months now. And there's that diesel one, something like that. I've never looked at a single one. It looks like Daisy. What a beautiful day, isn't it, right? Ain't that right, Ross?
Yes, it's got the cold as well.
It is cold, but it's lovely and sunny. And it's a bit windy, you know, isn't it?
Yeah, because you're wearing my hat.
Yeah, I know, I've got mine in my pocket. Makes me sweat sometimes. Look at all these lovely coaches.
Yeah.
I think that's either a steam engine or diesel up ahead, or is that something else?
It's hard to tell from this angle.
I think it could be a diesel up there with a truck. So I remember last year I saw a diesel with a freight train.
Did you really?
Oh yeah, I did. It was cool. That's the water tower, as you know already.
Yeah, I gathered that.
Yeah, I haven't been around there since May. And
since you saw that Oliver Cromwell train.
That was in March, and I went again in April. You know, little train ride, and here we are, and here I am again, this time with you. That looks like some sort of
coal tender.
Yeah, that's it. To me it looked like a truck, but I see something on the top of it, which is this. So it's like a coal tender. It looks almost like Henry's old one, doesn't it, back in the railway series?
Yeah, well, it could look like Donald or Douglas tender.
That's a good one. Any other engines with that on, with that sort of shape?
Molly.
What about Hero?
No, Hero's tender isn't like that.
No, it was just a thought. But it's a good one though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Hey, look, that says Yarmouth, as in Great Yarmouth, where I'll be going
soon.
to.
If you look up at it, it also says Beckford up there as well, up right on top of it.
Yeah, you're right there. That's going just to Holt and back, so it won't be going to Weybourne where the Saturday Special is taking place.
I think it's stopping at Weybourne to pick up passengers if it's got.
No, no, it's not going to Weybourne, the station master told me. But we'll find out soon enough, won't we?
Yeah.
That platform 2 is where I saw the Saturday Special. No, sorry, let me try that again. I missed that. And that platform 2 is when the Oliver Cromwell train was there. Which is fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have a look around, shall we?
Okay.
Here we are guys, there's the steam engine coming. It's that green tank engine. Buckle up to the train. There you are, Ross, just in time. How was the food? We just had a bit of a brunch. Look at this.
You get a photo of the change completely.
I think you can.
Yeah, from the front piece. This is one of my favourite engines.
Good. Yeah, same here. Hold it. Very smooth, yeah. Best buffering I've ever seen. Here we are guys, there's the first of the Santa Special with engine number 5619.
Yep, it's a British Railway engine as well.
I've seen that, that's like 2 or 3 times I've seen this engine this year.
When was the first time you saw this?
I saw this back in, towards Venice. 2010 2008, 2009, I think. That was ages ago.
Look, that end's got 2 whistles.
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Very cool, yeah.
Anyway, let's go to there, shall we? And have another look.
Okay.
There we are. That was a view of it. Wow, steam loud, isn't it?
Hey man, listen to that steam.
I love the smell of steam or not. What about you?
I hate it when it gets in the face.
Yeah, say that again. Cinders and ashes all over our faces. Get it? Cinders and ashes?
There's the engine crew. I say good morning to them.
Okay.
Good morning.
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 Every now and then.
That was too easy, wasn't it?
That was easy. Easy as pie.
Piece of cake.
Cake.
Well, you know what day it is, don't you? It's the 3rd of December. We forgot to tell you guys.
Yeah.
Look, wonderful Christmas tree.
Yeah, I've got one Christmas tree up.
So have I. I've got my Thomas Christmas ornament out,
Yeah.
which is fun. And we're just going to have an unlimited, we're just going to have a little ride on the diesel train later, 1:15, so we can see the steam engines apart.
That's going to be fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
And look, there's fires on over there.
Let's have a look. Now that reminds me of,
James goes too far.
that's it, yeah, I knew that would come into it. James goes too far, you know, when we see that sort of
Magic
fight.
Railroad, is it? You know, that's the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Norfolk Mountain.
Yes, well remembered there. I didn't think of that myself.
Towards the middle of the coach.
Almost 10 to 12. That's when this one's going,
Yep.
and
Down in forward when it's ready to go.
that goes at 12:15. And we're going to go on this one at 1:15. Then when we get back here, 25 to 3, we can watch this one go.
Yep.
We can see them both. We could see that train go twice in one day.
Yeah. This is the price of one.
Ow, but I want to get on 3. Like, I know it's another one. No, it's the same one, but they take it in a different way, don't they?
Two birds with one stone, in other words.
I thought, yeah, 2 heads are better than 1. That was an episode title of Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, that was.
Yeah.
2 heads are better than 1. There, it's going there. I think.
We hear the horn going.
I saw them waving their hands, so it looks like they are going. Let's just wait and see. Yeah, I can see the drivers. Yeah, the drivers sorting the handle out. And there it goes.
They're moving.
There it goes. There it goes.
Bye-bye.
Take a look at this. That was at the top, but now it's right behind the buffer.
It's always important to put the fog lamp on the top of the engine.
Yes, you're right there. Well, if it gets dark, probably.
Yeah.
Anyway, how long we got now? 20 minutes? 15? For the train to park?
Check the time.
Good idea.
It's 11:55. 20 minutes.
Yes, 20 minutes. Yeah, I was right there first time. 20 minutes for this train to go.
Yeah.
10 minutes until that one goes, which is really fun.
Yeah.
So,
Sun's coming out.
again, yeah. It goes, it's there, it goes, it's there, it goes. You might be expecting some rain.
Yeah. Look at the clouds in the sky.
Yeah. Every cloud has a silver lining,
Yeah.
even when it rains.
Yeah.
That is cool. Okay, 5 minutes to go until the first tractor train goes.
Yeah, and I hope the children aboard are going to be enjoying it.
Yeah, definitely. ready? Not long now. Walking from the runaway.
Yeah. I like that episode.
What? Look at all those seagulls.
Yeah.
They're trouble, they are. I got attacked by one over the summer.
Really? What happened?
Don't even ask.
Oh, no way.
Good. If you did already. Whoa, we missed a bit of steam there. Let's go. There we go. So it's just a whistle. Thank goodness for that. So it's jumped, didn't it?
It's only a bit.
They're quite louder than the ones who went on the route with Thomas, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! There it goes!
There goes 5619 after the station.
Perfect. Oh, I can't see a thing with all that steam around. Ah. Yeah.
I'm surprised to see that all that steam come out.
No, no. Hi, Riddies! Sorry, that's what Scooby-Doo impression.
Ah,
Oh,
steam went into my eye.
yeah. A lot of steam going in everyone's eyes these days, don't they?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coaches.
Yeah, that's right. And look at that. There goes the first Santa special.
Yeah. Bye bye.
There it goes. Look at all that steam coming out of its front. But that's next. Get it?
Yeah.
Now that was the first of the Santa specials.
It won't be long till it comes back into the station again.
And we just a signal going down.
Oh, never mind.
What's it got?
There.
Oh, I can't see it. And there it goes. And it's going. God. Perfect. Right, guys, we're going to have a short break for a while, but we'll be back later to go on the Park and Ride diesel, and we'll be back in time to see the Santa special going. It'll be time for us to go at 3:15.
We're going to enjoy that ride. Certainly a lot.